Keeping you close to the Outworld throne these many years has proven most fortuitous, Devorah. They never suspected one of their own to be a disciple of our Lord.
This one lives to serve sheep.
You have done well. Now bring it to me.
Without delay, Anchi.
I will have revenge for my dog. No, just by whooping the shit out of him. The demand for them is just nuts to be smashed.
What news from Outworld? Shinnok will soon be freed. We make for my fortress.
Lana. That is an entourage of fuck. Hopefully we can free them too.
Is there a problem?
Two problems.
Never send the rag coat. Or the red shirt. That was good. Bye. No. Amazing. Just amazing.
Your wife told me I'd find you in here.
Huh.
You and Vera have a nice chat?
Here?
Always.
His wife.
Is that a national? I haven't seen one
You
this...
didn't come here to discuss farm implements.
Nope.
All right. I'll cut to the chase. I need your help.
My help?
I know. I don't have any right
You
to...
knew what I wanted.
Jackie volunteered. She came to me.
I know.
Listen, I get why you didn't want Jackie joining SF. Why you retired. I mean, if I had to live with memories of being one of Quan Chi's thugs, I would have eaten a gun a long time ago.
Thanks for that.
Well, you know Vera. She never would have allowed that. So what is it you need help with? The Outworld refugees?
Worse. Shinnok's amulet. Melina has it.
Damn.
And we've gotten word from Serena that Quan Chi has resurfaced in the Nether Realm.
He shows his face after 25 years, just as Shinnok's amulet is in play. That's not a coincidence.
That's why I need you. Your Quan Chi expertise. We wouldn't reactivate your commission. You'd be an observer.
Wait, you wouldn't pay me?
Cage.
Marshall, he wouldn't be locked in.
Jax.
Right.
What is it?
Just wanted to see if maybe...
You could help close the cell? Yeah, because that worked out so well last time.
Can't blame a guy for trying.
We need you, Jax. Help me capture Quan Chi. None of us is safe if he gets near that amulet.
So where's Jackie in all this?
Outworld. With Cassie's team recovering the amulet.
She'll be fine. We expect to hear mission accomplished from him soon.
This is a familiar place for those who played whatever the shit game it was when he played that guy who went through the different quadrants of Outworld. He goes to the law section.
So what you guys think?
And gets in prison for like
They gonna
7
kill us?
years.
They would have done it by now.
Same place.
Unless Kotal Khan's planning on having us as guests at the Coliseum.
Well, if they don't kill us, my mother will.
Come on the GameCube.
Me at least.
Tough being the general's daughter.
You have no idea.
Yeah. Oh.
I do. My great whatever grandfather took down Shang Tsung, saved Earthrealm. How often do you think that comes up at family gatherings?
That was 600 years ago.
And yet, you'd think it happened yesterday.
No pressure there. I've trained all my life. Can fight my way out of nearly anything.
Deception or something.
But I still feel like a second-rate cage.
At least you grew up with people
In a
expecting
cage.
things from you.
I thought you and your dad were best friends.
Now, he was a no-show for a long time.
I can relate.
Your
What
dad
was
was
that
dead.
like growing up? Having an ex-revenant father?
Jen,
No, I'm asking. Couldn't have been easy.
He was just a bit overprotective. When I joined SF, Mr. Cage insisted on being the one to tell my dad. He thought it'd go smoother. I'll never forget that day. My dad came home with a broken jaw.
So apparently he had the kid after he came back from being a revenant.
Yeah,
all right.
I thought that
got
was
this.
the case.
You've got
maybe
my
it was
exact
more than 20 years.
Trust me.
25 or 30. Right.
Yeah. They're kind of being ambiguous.
Oh shit, we did build it right.
It's not designed to be easy to go up and down.
Away from the bars.
Why should we listen? Also, real those people aren't stripped of their weapons. Like I was saying.
How'd you do that?
I overloaded his senses. It only works at short range.
Being the son of a telepath has its perks.
No
I
shit.
didn't used to think so.
Oh man, my dad has superpowers. That sucks. People hit 5 years ago. Oh, sweet. Seriously, there's normal people who have shitty fathers and they don't have superpowers. So, I not dead scorpion? Came undone. So, oh, he got back. He actually came back to life.
Yeah, it is.
That for real?
Go my way.
Oh, kill him.
Yield.
Oh, is that kid?
Yeah.
Well done.
Scorpion's a good guy again.
You are now Chujin.
You honor me, Master Hisashi.
Or not.
Now that I'm Chujin, how will I serve the clan?
Your future does not lie with the Shirai Ryu.
But the clan's my family.
When I took you in, I promised your father.
I don't have a father.
Yes, you do. One who's proud of you. A Chujin in record time.
You knew he was coming? You said nothing?
Knowing this would be your reaction, yes. Takeda, your father is not your enemy.
10 years. No visits. Nothing. You abandoned me.
I did not abandon you.
I was 8. My mother had just died. Now you come back? Think you can jump right in as a proud dad?
Son,
To hell with you. I am not your son.
I know that. Holy psychic BS. Really? That's kind of... Why won't it activate? Of course.
Wow, that hurt to watch. You seem tense. For the pain. give up.
Yeah.